why I didn't want to post it. You know, a lot of you guys were like, oh, that means this relationship is abusive. Girl, calm down.
You're very quiet. It's my niece. Her dad's my...
What is up, SV Squad? So today is my dad's
older brother
barbecue thingy, because his birthday was on Friday.
And that's how it went.
And we're all chilling. We got Aussie outside. We got Theo Breezy.
Hold on.
We.
Oi ma tau ma matu whanau. Ai watu mea umai lau whio. E ui na matu dei au whanga potu manisi vaenga whanau. Ai te tonu o matu tu inatu luma o lau whio.
Come on, kiddies, give me some good minutes. Hi, Josie.
I need a chair.
Go do it. No, you have to make the noises. Go do an ASMR now. What? ASMR.
You want food?
Yum yum. Ew. This is Lotta Mal.
Hello.
So I don't really like seafood, and I tasted mussels like maybe over 10 years ago, and I just decided I don't like it.
Wait, I've never had it.
But I'm gonna taste it today. Look at it, it looks so gross. It stinks. Ooh! Yum! Oh! Chew it. Okay, I don't like it. Yeah. Olha, masangi Siaosi trampolim. Sebali mai hilang. Kira masangi ai.
What's up, guys? It's your poet Georgie. Yeah, we're getting ready for church, guys. It's Sunday. Have a haircut yesterday, so look fresh, guys. Jehovah, you I trust. In you I believe in. Look fresh, boy. Getting a haircut yesterday, so look nice. Oh, it's a boy. Look skinny, boy. Look nice and snack. And Messiah, hello, bye.
What's up, SV Squad? It's been such a long time since we've picked up the camera. We're in the process of moving houses. We got so much going on. At the moment, we haven't been able to vlog, but it's the weekend, so thought we'd pick it back up again. Got Georgie boy.
Yeah.
Welly boy.
Yeah, you know what it is here, mate.
That's my little cousin. And we're on our way to go and get some things to make barbecue, because the whole BAMS is going to the park. So I'll intro you to them as well if you haven't already met them. We're looking shaky or what, Aussie?
Snacky.
Snacky boy. And excuse the pausing, because I don't want to get copyrighted. Say bye-bye, Aussie. Yeah, actually want to. Bye-bye. So long, bye-bye. So long. So long, bye-bye. Don't wait. Yeah. Karo whaia kākou. Hei mase me ngō whaia ia mere. It's Siosi's fault. Fault o Aussie ra wore I se squaipa. Taki au se mai langa muri se squaipa I me. We're waiting for everyone to bring the tools.
Now, I will get body. Have idea. This shit in there, eh?
So you get on me for Yamako. If you follow up with finger, or I found out so
skill mo ina. Or skill le mo le mo ko mainga. Kaya ngai go ko. Very soshima ngai.
So, excuse my voice because I almost choked and my family just watched me choke. I'm just kidding. Me and my girl Inga here, we cooked all of this by ourselves with no help of any males. And I'm here to tell you women out there, you don't need a male in your life. Is that biblical? Is that biblical? All you independent women out there, you can do it yourself.
Yeah, you need help? Did you say you need help?
No, you can come find one. We don't need help, we want you to do it. Look how loyal we are. Everyone's eating around us, Inga, and we are still here, still servicing the people. You guys saw my story that we're actually moving out. I know. Moving out of the SV squad house. We're relocating and we're gonna come back with bigger, better videos. So make sure you got post noties on. Noti gang, I see you guys. Okay, so I would say if you come in the first hour, of us posting a video, consider yourself Noti gang.
Please subscribe and I'm giving $5.
Say it, say it.
Yeah. Siaosi's from Siaosi's wallet.
Apparently we were meant to put it on the phone.
We went to what?
We were meant to put it on the God.
That is so funny. I swear they weren't cooked. I gotta run my race.
I knew.
Like a best Chris. Thank God I'm winning by the spirit. I love to just control it. It's in my blood now. Thank God I made it by the spirit. Say it's in my blood.
It's in my blood.
Not like that. Go do it again.
You have to eat my food.
It's doing again. Times 2. Breaking. I don't want to be your camera. Thank you. Go, go, go. One drink. Let my people go, go, go. Hi, papito. Hi, papi chulo. Georgie boy. Come up a skeki.
Ano naman Mel? Wow, kumakain mo yung Mel. Assistant eh. Oh. Five more.
Let's
I
go.
can't see.
Wow.
Oh no, you guys are traitors.
Oh my gosh.
Boom. I'm sorry. So yeah, so this is if you want to know Instagram.
We all want to see your beautiful face.
Yeah, you talk about you.
Oh, thanks, sweetheart.
What's your name? Thanks. Oh, it's so juicy. You gave me something, mate. What's in my face, eh?
So give it un uno io, le. Boy, please. I swear.
I want to choose.
So guys, Victoria's team clearly lost that one. Yeah, no, cheaters. But because I felt sorry for them, we gave them the win. Yeah. So never love us. But you know, just stay salty. You see? The cheating team will eventually lose, and that's this team. Shay, what a sore loser.
That's out.
Yeah, me.
Two. It's 3-0. It's 3-0. It's over.
such a big day. I am so buggered. Still haven't changed. My voice is a bit raspy from shouting. But our team was undefeated. Sorry about it. So it's coming to the end of the day. Sorry if you can't hear me because of the wind. I'm here with my little niece YAYYYYY. She's named after my grandma. And she's gonna do comment of the day. I have not done comment of the day in such a long time. I'm so sorry guys. I'm gonna try and do it a little bit more, you know, get back into it. But because on Siaosi's stupid latest prank, there were so many of you guys that commented, and we just want to thank you guys for your love and support, even though it wasn't a really good prank. We thank you guys for always making time and taking time out of your day to comment on our videos. So YAYYYYY's gonna pick comment of the day. She's gonna pick 2. So who's it from?
From Selena Patty.
And what did she say?
I swear you both are hilariously crazy. Thanks for the laughs.
One more, because you know there's too many.
From So Gabby We Are. Poor Victoria. It's too funny, haha. Good job, Siaosi.
Oh, well, those were not the short ones. I swear you didn't want to get the long ones. I swear there were so many long ones. Okay, let me pick one. Gloria Vlogs. I'm assuming she vlogs as well, so if you want to check out her channel, I have never checked her out, but if you want to check her out, support our island community. Ha 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 ha. Poor Victoria, but good on Siaosi for his first prank. Girl, I would have done the same thing as you. I'll do it for you then. Yes, girl power. That's the reason why I didn't want to post it. You know, a lot of you guys were like, oh, that means this relationship is abusive. Girl, calm down. It was just like, I missed the slap. But when we move into our new home, I'm gonna get Aussie back. I'm gonna get him back good. I've got 2 up my sleeve. He'll have no idea with these ones. This cousin of mine was looking for a girl. He was on my live trying to get a girl. If you if you single and you want him, comment down hashtag pink shirt. Comment down hashtag pink shirt and your number. You can't be from Costco or... Guys, this is what a face of someone who is tired looks like. I have been standing on my feet for the past 3 days, full days of overtime, because we're moving out, and I'll show you. Everything's out of the rooms. Some rubbish there, nothing in there. Then we go through here, our bedroom, where once our bed was. There is no longer. Then we've got the bathroom, we've just mopped it. I don't know how to do this, eh? Oh. I figured it out, guys. I had it on reverse. So, take 2. Can everyone call me Bob the Builder now? Guys, having another rest. I'm so tired. Para falhar. You know what? When we were playing volley, I think I pulled a muscle in my knee or something, because my knee is hurting so much. And it's really affecting my efficiency with the cleaning. Just to give you a heads up, we got new shirts coming. It looks so weird. Hey guys, what's up SV Squad? So we haven't been vlogging much because we're in the process of moving. houses, and we're just waiting for things to go through so that we can move into our new house. I was so blessed by church today. Just really feel the Spirit of God. It just touches my heart, and I just can't. Can you see that there's a lady here? I just can't contain myself, and I just start to cry in the presence of God. And got little Nell here. Hi. Hey Nelly.
Casi